Are you unhappy with the quality, frequency, or price of your litter cleanup service? For about the same price as one power sweeping, you can get daily litter pick for a month. But in addition to your parking lot, we'll also sweep up litter from your sidewalks, landscaped areas, and around waste bins. We'll also change out the trash liners of any common area litter receptacles. We can maintain your property litter-free so it always looks great. How do we do it? We provide a thorough litter removal service on foot, after hours, when no vehicles are present. With the site clear, we can see and sweep up all the cups, cans, bottles, wrappers, and cigarette butts with ease. But we don't stop there. We'll also notify you of any burned out lights, graffiti, property damage, or illegal dumping on your property. You get so much more value for your money. Other services simply can't compare to our personal touch. Our on-foot service approach has been successful since 1981. There's no better way to keep a property litter-free. If litter control is important to you, we offer the best value and service levels possible. To keep your property maintained, your tenants happy, your neighboring community from complaining, and your image intact, contact us for a free estimate.